Guys, just want to introduce to you to an application called Jar. This is the application that where I save daily around 10 rupees, 20 rupees, all my changes, and they then convert every change that I save into gold. I have been saving all my change into gold, and right now on the screen on the top, if you see, I have currently accumulated 4.22 grams of gold. So if I check the value today, roughly 22,000 rupees I have been able to save in the last 5 months by just investing my change in this application. All you need to do is click on the link below, enroll yourself, and daily you can start with an investment of merely 10 rupees, and that will further convert into gold, and you can also withdraw your gold whenever you want here. So they will deliver the gold to you at your doorstep. All of this is 24 karat pure gold. This is one of the ways of making sure that you get into a habit of saving something daily. So I recommend you strongly to join this app, and with the link below, and start saving on in gold, so that one day it will become a huge corpus without you realizing also. So click the link below and start saving your change right from rupees 10. Even you can go to any amount you want daily. Start saving 10 rupees, 20 rupees in gold, and it will be a big money in long term.